Hello, welcome to Patio Dreams. Today we are going to make a rose pendant choker. I hope you will find this useful. Materials required: braiding cord, craft glue, crimp and clasp gem ring, polymer clay and some of the basic polymer clay tools. First, condition and knead the clay and cut some round shapes with the help of any round shaped object. Here I have used a small marker pen cap. So these are the petals of the rose. Here I am using two colors, red and rose, and the rose color as the center. Take the first petal and fold into itself and attach other petals around it. If your clay is too much sticky, you can use talcum powder to reduce the stickiness of your clay. Repeat the process and attach more petals into our rose. After having enough rose color petals, I am switching to red color petals. Now our rose is ready, and cut the tail of the rose. Now I am making the hook to hold the pendant onto the cord. Take a small amount of clay. In order to get a pattern, I am using a mesh type material. Knead the clay and press it around a pen or a paintbrush handle to make it in the shape of a pendant holder as shown in the video. Cut the tail of the holder to make it smaller and attach the holder at the back of the pendant. You can use any craft glue, Sculpey Bake and Bond to attach this. After attaching the holder onto the pendant, now our pendant is ready. Now this is the time for baking. So bake the clay according to the instructions. Now let's finish the necklace. Here I have taken 3 cords of 10 cm length and they are combined using the crimp end cap and add the gem ring. So one end is ready. Now add the pendant onto the cord. Now finish the other end with the crimp end cap and the lobster clasp. Now our rose pendant choker is ready. Thank you for watching.